Okay, this street's kind of near the border. It's called Rua do Bairro Iohon. So Iohon is a neighborhood, and is one. So this is like the first street of the neighborhood of Iohon. So we're gonna walk down the street and check it all out. Give you the context. We gotta. So we're just gonna check out where we were all at. So down this way is Era Preta. So there's definitely some interesting stuff to film down that way. But we're gonna be going behind us. There's a couple temples right there. Over there was Triangular Park. Mongha was over there. And we're gonna head all the way down this way and see what we got. Should be kind of cool. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so the first street of the neighborhood of Iohon. So we're gonna see what we got here. One thing that's interesting is they got this thing called NK Mart. I haven't seen that chain anywhere, so I don't know if that's like a mainland China chain or something else. But it looks like they got maybe stuff that's kind of appealing to the people at the border. But there's like a Portugal stuff. I don't know. Wine. A lot of people from mainland China, they'll come and get wine here. They really like that a lot. And alcohol too, because of the Portuguese influence. So there's you know, Porto wine and lots of wine here. This is probably the best place to get wine in the whole all of Asia, probably. Little alleys. This sign, that's a sign right here. There's one on the other side. But we're just gonna keep on going down and stay faithful to our street. Gourmet coffee, Leon Kuhn. So that looks like kind of a cool little place. Okay, so you got some. Okay, you can keep on walking. Kind of interesting. Pharmacies. You can tell you're getting closer to the border when you start seeing pharmacies everywhere. That's like kind of, it's interesting too. Okay. Wow, that looks really cool. Paklak Moon. This place looks nice. I love to eat in here. I want to keep filming, but I have an app so I can just translate everything into English real easy. But that place looks cool. Food was like 22 baht. It's crazy. It's low. It's about $8 to most things that you get are like 50. Cheap things are like 50, 60, 70, 8 American dollars. More cardboard boxes. We're gonna keep on walking down, but we also have this little park right here too. Let's walk into the park briefly. Yeah, kind of nice. Let's see what else we got around here. So that's where we started, was down that way. Gonna keep on going down. The lights are just coming on as well. So we're gonna continue going down that way, but I also just wanna kind of highlight that one. It's interesting because they have all the jewelry and the gold here too. So that's usually around the casinos. I don't really see it in the neighborhood so much at all. But that's a reflection of being so close to the border right now too. And then there's exchange place over there. Got some birds right there. So that exchange place also kind of says that we're near the border as well. Yeah, and I think when I'm up in this area, there's like the apartments. Let me just see what this one is. Like there was some story about these apartments over on this side. Got more alleys, Sunway supermarket, and if we could go down these alleys, and there's we're gonna save that for a separate video. Yeah, actually, like those alleys are really cool. There's like these alleys that kind of go in between the buildings over here. I filmed it a few times. Actually, some of the some of these. Like I like this one right here. It says comidas. Let me just capture this one on this corner because this one is kind of similar. But this one looks kind of similar to the one on the other side too. Yeah, that building looks amazing. Let me just kind of capture this real quick. Looks like Sichuan. It's like really spicy. It's like a pizza, huh? Weird. So they got that one. Dumplings, fried rice. Pretty cool looking shop though. And I'm also curious about that one over there too. So that's the other corner. So we're gonna try to go over there as well. We're still in Hua do Bairro Johon, and I have to go. That's the one I want to also get. That one right over there. So we're going to. That's kind of cool. That mural right there looks kind of cool. It's like Malaysia. These are all passport photos, so for travel. So I guess it's, you know, we're pretty close to the border right now. So they'll also do some photos right there. That's one of the restaurants that was kind of interesting. And then this one right here, I really like the way that one is set up as well. So we're gonna walk over there. Let's see what this looks like here. Got some pile of ruins right there. Pretty cool venue. 32, that's really cheap. Flat noodle beef. I like that a lot. Oh, there's all the foods right there. What a cool space. Take a look at that. So yeah, that looks really cool. So it's Comidas Wang Hang Long. Okay. But yeah, it has kind of like a nice kind of Portuguese, Hong Kong-ish, Macau-ish feel to it. Okay. So we are going to keep on walking down our target street. See where we go. See what else is in store for us. Okay, so we're basically walking towards the border right now. Okay, so we're going to continue down. We had a battery issue with the camera. I was going to walk all the way down towards the border. I also kind of want to go into these side streets as well. So I think we'll get a chance right here. And this is basically where we're at right here. Hua do Bairro Johon. And you can also go down these alleys, and I think that there's like a little thing that goes up and over. So yeah, kind of interesting little space. So let's just kind of see if we can find that. So I think there's also all these little businesses everywhere in here too. And then I think that this one, yeah, right here. So there's little like Nove do Bairro de Johon. So these also go all the way through here like this. So that's kind of interesting as well. And then you got more stuff kind of everywhere in here. I think I'm just gonna go down Nove, then I'm gonna go back to Nove is 9, is 1. So there's all these are kind of let me show you real quick. Street 9 of neighborhood Johon. So I'm gonna go this way. So basically What's this? That looks kind of cool. Yeah, up in this area, it's like really interesting. I'm gonna keep on walking all the way down. I don't know how long I'm gonna go. I'm afraid that the video might go too long. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end the video shortly. But that's one, so Hua Oitu, so number 8. And that's basically where we just went down. So we basically went down that little space all the way down that way. I think what we're gonna do is end it. We just go across like this, and we're just gonna show you. So the border would be directly down that way. Now we're on Hua Day. Now we just went to a different street anyway. So Serenage is this street, which is a different street. And so our target street was that one, which is Iohon. So I guess the border of Iohon might be marked right here, number 8. So I guess that's Iohon is probably like this whole area like that, and down in that whole area like that. So anyways, we can end it right there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la